Hi, my name is John Tomaz. We are at Wire Expo 2018 in Nashville, Tennessee. It's a great place to be. I'm Vice President of Sales and Marketing with Wardwell Braiding Company, and we're exhibiting here to try and meet some of our customers, do some meeting and greeting, and to promote our equipment, which we have been making at Central Falls, Rhode Island since 1911. We make braiding machines, we make supporting and peripheral equipment. With our partners in Germany, we offer a variety of equipment that will be able to help you and support you in your braiding process, reinforcement of hose, making of medical products, and a bunch of other stuff that you probably come across every day but don't recognize as being braided. We're here to meet customers, visit local people, enjoy a little bit of the city, and promote the equipment that we have been making over the years. One machine we want to promote in particular is the Rapid Braider, which was the original design from Simon Willard Wardwell, and has been in use ever since the introduction in 1911. It's a machine that is versatile, that can be used for running textile at very high speeds. It can run wire, including copper, steel, aluminum, etc. The machine lends itself to a variety of applications and products, and that makes it our #1 selling machine. With folks that want to make cable at higher speed, use our Speedmaster. In addition to that, we have other equipment for whatever application you have, whatever braiding you need. Wardwell more than likely either has or can get the design and the size that you will need. I hope you will visit our website, www.wardwell.com. You call one of us in Central Falls to talk about your needs, and we hope we can do business together and find a solution for your challenges. Thank you very much, and look us up.